In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Monday.com. Whether you're updating your personal details or simply switching to a new email address for work, changing your email on Monday.com is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together step by step, ensuring you won't miss a thing. First, let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to Monday.com and log into your account. This is where your journey starts. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of Monday.com, the central hub where all your projects and tasks come to life. Now take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon, a small circular picture, or perhaps just your initials if you haven't uploaded a photo yet. Click on that profile icon. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options, each serving a different purpose. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled My Profile. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to your profile page on Monday.com. Here you can edit various personal information and account settings. But for now, let's keep our focus on updating your email. On your profile page, you'll notice several sections. Look for the one titled Personal Info. It's here where you can manage the details that Monday.com has on file for you, including your name, your current email address, and more. Under the email section, your current email displayed serves as a bridge of communication between you and Monday.com. To initiate the change, simply click on your current email. A new field will appear, prompting you to input the new email address that you wish to associate with your Monday.com account. Type in the new email address you want to use going forward. Be sure to double check for any typos or errors. It's crucial that this information is accurate, as it will become your new username for logging into Monday.com, not to mention a point of contact for notifications and updates. Once satisfied with the entry, look for the Confirm button. Clicking on it will set in motion the process to update your email within Monday.com's system. A couple of things to note here: changing your email in Monday.com will likely trigger an email verification process. This is a standard security measure to ensure that the email address you're switching to is indeed valid and under your control. Be sure to check your new email's inbox for a verification email from Monday.com. Follow the instructions within that email to fully verify and complete the change. Moreover, remember that once your email is changed, the new email address will be used for all future communications from Monday.com, and it will also become your new login. This means the next time you access Monday.com, you'll use your new email to sign in. And just like that, you've successfully updated your email address on Monday.com. It's a simple process, but it's always good to walk through it with a guide your first time. Changing your email not only ensures that you won't miss out on important notifications, but also helps keep your account secure. Finally, it's worth mentioning that if you run into any issues during this process, or if the email change doesn't reflect even after following all the steps correctly, don't hesitate to reach out to Monday.com support team for assistance. That wraps up today's tutorial on how to change your email on Monday.com. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Remember, keeping your account information updated is crucial for seamless communication and security purposes. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps we've covered today, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful guides and tutorials. See you in the next video.